Very good morning, students. In last videos, I taught you Unit 2nd and Section 2. And today I am going to explain you Section 3rd, which is also included sports. And here we are talking about a girl whose name is Tanvi. The Section 3rd name is Band It Like Tanvi. That means we must be band like Tanvi. We must be like her, and whatever she has done in her life, and how did she inspire herself, and that we have to learn. So let's start this lesson. Tanvi, captain of girls under 13 football team, is all set for an Asian Saucer Fest. Uh, an event which was Asian Saucer Fest was organized, and in that Tanvi, who was the captain of under 13 football team, she was also participated, and she was in the team of under 13. That means the group in which only 13 years old girls was participated, and in that Tanvi also participated. At the time when girls of her age were dressing up dolls, Tanvi Bhargava was fighting for the football with her elder brother as he played with his friends in the neighborhood park. Here we are talking about Tanvi, who was a girl, and when his brother, who was elder from her and elder than her, and he was going for playing football, and she was fighting with him because she also wants to play football. And today, when she is the captain of India under 13 football team, she is even more aggressive in her stance to dribble the ball away from her opponent. Here we are talking about Tanvi, and Tanvi now is a sports girl, and now she is participating in games in sports, and she has participated as under 13 sports game, and she has also participated in football games also. At this class 8, students of Mayo College Girls School Ajmer prepares to battle it out at a national camp for the Asian Football Confederation under 14 Football Festival. Now from her school, whose name was Mayo College Girls School, and by that camp was organized for the girls who can participate in games, and it was under 14 football fest. From March 5th in Bhopal, she seems self-assured of retaining her captaincy for yet another year. As she was a good captain, and she has done well in her games and sports, and at the next time when she was playing with the under 14 football match, at the time she was thinking that she has to play a role of the captain, and she has to retain her captaincy in this year. Almost resonating of the spunky jazz in the Indian crossover film Band It Like Beckham, the local girl's dedication to her sports in steadfast. Here, as the chapter name is Band It Like Tanvi, because this name is also taken from a film which was based on a girl whose name was Jess, and that also film a crossover Indian crossover film, and in which it is shown that the dedication of the girls towards the sports. I was in Sacred Heart School till last year. Now Tanvi is saying that she was doing study in the school whose name was Sacred Heart School. That's where I was encouraged to pick up football owing to a good coach. Dear students, as you all know that Tanvi was a good player, and she has played many games. She was interested in games. She did not play the games which every girl play, like some girls play with the doll or with other things with the play things, but she does not want to play like this. She wants to play and she has an interest towards only games. That's why she wants to play, and she used to play with her brother also. And when she went that school, the new school at the time, and she got a good coach there who guided her for playing well. I moved to Mayo thereafter, since in hostel there is a dedicated time for everything including sports. Here says this staunch क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो फैन, एक क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो का फ़ैन था जिसने उसे ये कहा कि इस हॉस्टल में उसे स्पोर्ट्स के लिए ज़्यादा समय मिलेगा. दैट्स मीन शी कैन प्ले मैनी गेम्स हियर एंड फॉर द एवरीथिंग, फॉर स्टडी एज वेल, फॉर प्लेइंग गेम्स शी कैन गेट इनफ टाइम फॉर playing games and for paying attention on her study. And if you think this is a quote from a coy teenage fan of a stylish footballer, every students know well that many footballers are there, and which those are liked by every person, like the player of the cricket also. Here in the sports also person whose name is Ronaldo, and he is liked by everyone. Each boy and girl and many persons are fan of that Ronaldo. So he was admired by that fan in front of Tanvi. She is quick to correct you. Here he admits that Ronaldo can correct you whenever you will do any mistake while playing sports or games. Then he would be always there to guide you and to correct you. His female fan following may be huge, but I like him for his game. Here she admits that she likes him, but there are many fans of him, but she also likes him, and because he is a good player and he is very brilliant. And if Ronaldo is her favorite player, you almost know her answer to her favorite team. Here he is saying that if Ronaldo is the favorite player, then the favorite team would be, and the favorite team would be the same in which Ronaldo is playing. Manchester United, she adds without blinking. And at the time when she replied, and she told that its name is Manchester United, and without hesitation. Here without blinking means without any hesitation. What started as following my elder brother, who used to play football, this lanky footballer's passion for the aggressive sports for a natural transition. Here she also admits at the time that when she started to play with the football, at the time she saw her brother was playing with football, and he is lanky. Lanky means having long, thin arms and legs. So she saw that boy to play with football. That's why she inspires by him. And the playing of the games and playing the football games has become the natural transition in her life. Maybe an aggressive sport, but my parents encouraged me to go for footballer than other sports because they knew my interest lay there, says Tanvi. Here when it is asked from Tanvi that why did she choose football games, at the time she told that she has an interest towards football match, but she has played many games, but her parents did not pressure or did not force her to play the other games. They knew well that their daughter interest towards only football, and that's why they support her for playing the football game. Tanvi says that who also represents her school in tennis. She also played many games, and she also played tennis also, horseback riding and cricket. She also participated in many games. and but her interest was towards only football match. That's why her parents did not force her for choose any other field, or not pressuring her for doing only study and study, but they have seen that their daughter interest towards only games, and that's why they have sent her a hostel, and the hostel in which the games are also played, and there were a good coach for playing and for guiding her. That's why they have decided to send her to a hostel, so that so that she can not only paid her attention on study, but she can also give the enough time for sports also, and she can complete her dream. For a country that swoons over cricket and everyone seems besotted to the game, then why not Tanvi? Here it is said that everyone, yeah, or every person interest towards games. So here, when besotted means to be so much in love that you don't behave sensibly. That means what the thing you like most, that you must have. And as Tanvi did, Tanvi has an interest towards football. That's why she has chose that field, and she has done well, and she has participated in that games by heart, and definitely she won that games. I play cricket, but I think the agglomerations of this sport is distracting. She also admits that she has also played many games, and also cricket. She also played cricket, and in that she thinks that only there is only glamour in that sports, but that sports only distracting. Sometimes it distract us. My heart is in football, not in money, glamour, and perks. And she also says that she also comments on that thing, that she does not want to play cricket, but she has an interest towards football, and that that football game is feel in her heart. That's why she does not want to earn money, or perks, or money or glamour. She does not want to earn money, glamour, and perks, but she wants to do her best in that team. That's why she has chose that sports, which name is football. Concludes the star in the making. Here she admits that the work which you are doing, it must not be uh, differentiate, or it must not be compared by money, with money, glamour, or perks. But whatever work you are doing, it must be like a star shine in the sky. Here it was the story of Tanvi, as I explained you. And if you want to know more about Tanvi, then you can search on Google. Dear students, this story has finished, and question answer, and the I will send you in PDF. Thank you.